Hello everyone, today I will review the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. In this video I will talk about the advantages of this band. 1. Real-time display of exercise duration, mileage, heart rate, etc., 50 meters swimming waterproof. 2. All-day health management, more accurate pedometer, heart rate, sleep quality monitoring, sedentary reminder. 3. Reject call without phone. The brand new Millet Bracelet 3 can also display the caller name or number if you do not want to answer. Long press can reject the call. 4. New Xiaomi Sports app. In Xiaomi Sports app, you can set daily needs according to your own situation. Choose the fitness program that suits you and regularly check your week's exercise, sleep data, etc. 5. Daily pedometer, heart rate monitoring. Upgrade the number of steps algorithm again to make your efforts count every step. In addition, the heart rate sensor can accurately read heart rate changes for 24 hours and can also detect the current heart rate at any time. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.